Season 1, Waves and Sound, Physics in a Necrotic World, Episode 16, Volcanic Activity. Welcome, strangers! So what does it mean to be accurate? I reckon it's about to get as cozy as possible to the true value. Precision is all about how close I can throw the darts to each other. So fellow darts, please go together to that perfect bullseye. Don't think they're listening to me, unfortunately. I wish they listened. How about I try again? Oh well. Eruptions radiate infrasound, which can be detected by local seismographs. Quicker detection can potentially save more lives. Remember those primary and secondary waves? Primary is a longitudinal wave that can vibrate. Primary waves are longitudinal waves that can vibrate through any medium. But obviously there has to be particles in the medium. Sorry, space. You're not going to count. There has to be particles in the medium. Secondary waves are transverse waves, but they get They get absorbed by the liquid outer core, creating a shadow zone in which seismometers around the world cannot detect them. P waves travel through the center of the Earth, which must mean it's solid. With each medium change, the depth changes, the density changes, meaning the waves are refracting. Some maps were never meant to be followed, ethically, morally, personally, but those maps are sometimes worth charting anyways, to know the limits of systems. Silence is like scissors. They don't just cut, they let us feel, let us trim the edges. Unwanted, yes, but they do cut. They don't simulate. Simulations don't simulate, but when using to find out, why not? Not to break, but what makes a system collapse? What makes it barely stable? All these are great questions. This is what inquiry goes. This is how inquiry goes in reality. We have simulations that don't actually simulate. They test. They test to see which maps exist and which one we want to ignore as anomalies and discard them forever and never, unless they come back and haunt us in the future, being like, yes, the anomaly, the one that you ignored. It's important because those anomalies are valuable data too. So you have to be careful not to discard them completely. Still record them. It's data. See you next time at Physics in a Necrotic World. This is your host, Rimona Christian. R out.